Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. It's essential to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps during the process. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 4 screws located at the back and sides of the unit. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding the casing together. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips apart if necessary. As you open the casing, take note of the internal components and how they are arranged, as this will help during reassembly. Now, locate the motor. It is usually situated at the base of the vacuum. You will see several wires connected to the motor. Before disconnecting these wires, take a photo for reference. This will be invaluable when you are reconnecting everything later. Carefully disconnect the wires from the motor. You may need to use your pliers to gently pull off any stubborn connectors. Once the wires are disconnected, you will find additional screws securing the motor in place. Remove these screws using your T15 Torx screwdriver. With the screws removed, you can now lift the motor out of the vacuum. Take a moment to clean the area around the motor, as dust and debris can accumulate over time. A clean workspace will ensure optimal performance once the new motor is installed. Now it's time to install the new motor. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws that hold the motor in place, tightening them securely. Next, reconnect the wires to the motor, referring to the photo you took earlier to ensure everything is connected correctly. Once the motor is secured and the wires are connected, it's time to reassemble the casing. Carefully align the casing and press it back together, ensuring all clips are engaged. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the casing tightly. Before testing your vacuum, it's a good idea to give it a quick clean internally. Use a soft brush to remove any dust from the filters and ensure that everything is in good condition. If you're unsure about any part of this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and hassle. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it's functioning correctly. If everything seems to be in order, congratulations on successfully replacing the motor. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With our service, there are no calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. This way, you can ensure your Dyson is in expert hands without any stress. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.